You're almost there. You've almost learned the basics of Tinkercad. We have 2 more tutorials to do before you start doing some of the projects of the lessons that we've got. So let's go to the almost last one called Hide It. Click on that. Now, I'm going to have to reset here because I was messing around with it. Let's reset the lesson. Okay. Now, in Hide It, we're actually going to hide some things so you can't see them. They're still there. They're just hidden. It says, when designing, the work plane can become cluttered with shapes. But instead of moving or deleting shapes you may need, you can just hide them until you need them again. So let's figure that out. It says, instructions, continue to the next step. Hide section. Click on the red rectangle on the work plane and try hiding it to reveal what's underneath. So select the red rectangle by clicking on it. Click. Now, it says, hide the selected shape by clicking on the hide icon on the shade pop-up. So here's our shape pop-up, and there's this light bulb. Okay, you can see where I put my mouse. If I click that, it's going to hide that rectangle. Huh, pretty cool. It looks like there was a fish and some other things underneath. You can also go up and unhide it by clicking Show All. All right. Hey, pretty cool. Let's see what they have us next. Now, we can also do this with the lasso tool or click and drag and click. So let's drag and click. Okay. And then we can also hide it, and it hides all of them. Ah, pretty cool. Let's unhide it. Nice. Okay. Now, there is one other way you can view those underneath too, and this is what I'm going to tell you. Is you can also turn this shape into a hole. So I've clicked on my rectangle. I'm going to turn it into a hole. And by doing so, it makes it transparent so I can see what's underneath. Just another trick for you there. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to take a screenshot with the red box hidden. So click on the red box, go up and hide it. I want a screenshot that shows the hello and the stars and the fish and the hearts. Okay. So take that screenshot. I want this picture right here and put that in your slideshow so that you can turn it in when you're done with the tutorial.